What's up, guys? I just got back from a trip to Australia, so I just want to put together a quick video of my trip to the Queen Victoria Market in Melbourne, Australia. Really beautiful place. Had a lot of cool stuff and like some cool arts and crafts and craft tables, some woodworking projects, and just stick around to the end of the video so you can see where I got these beauties. It's a really cool Maori dude that, he hand carves this hook, and I got a small necklace, a gift from my uncle, and yeah, just check it out. And then stay tuned next week for your regularly scheduled program. All right, enjoy.